The purpose of this video is to get you up and running on your Office 365 account if you haven't done so already, and for students who are new to the prep, to get you onto the school's computer network. So if you're new to the school, first name dot last name on any networked computer at Seton Hall Prep. And your temporary password is welcome, all lowercase. And once you type that in and click on the arrow, it'll say the user's password must be changed. Hit OK. In the next screen, you could type in a new password in these bottom two lines. It'll say your password has been changed, and then you'll get on the school's network, and that new password will be your password for Office 365 as well. Then to access your Office 365 account, you'll open up any browser and go to login.microsoftonline.com. Type in your username with the @shp.org, and then that new password that you just created when you logged into the network, and click sign in. Then you'll immediately be prompted to set up your password recovery, and I'll show you that process with a different student's login. And that's going to take you to a screen that's going to help you get passwords generated if you ever forget your password. So we're going to go to Setup Now, click on the account, and then you're going to type in the new password and sign in. Okay, this screen's going to ask you which option do you want to use to reset your password. I recommend that you do all three of them. Right now I'm going to go to authentication for the phone. So right over here, just make sure you select your country code, then put in a number here, and then put text me. It's going to text you a code that you then enter. Right now I'm going to go back. Same thing. You'll want to have a backup email that you use to have a password sent to you, and then the other one is obviously the security questions, and then go through each of these fields. In this case, you can come up with your own security questions. So once that process is done, you can see some of the different apps that you have in the Office 365 suite. In addition, you can install Office 2016, the full version, onto up to 5 machines at home, including a tablet or a smartphone. But right now we're going to look at OneDrive. So from now on, whether you're creating a document at home or at school, you could just click on New to start creating a document. It could be a Word document. Anything you wind up creating is going to wind up being saved right to OneDrive. The first thing that I would do is just title this something different, and then just start typing away, and it's going to wind up saving automatically pretty much every keystroke that you make, so you're not going to lose any more of your documents, and you can access this at school or at home, whatever you decide. What I'm going to do now is go back to the apps grid in the upper left corner and click on Mail. As you can see, there's a host of other apps that you can go to. At this point, you can email other students, you can email other teachers, you can also email anyone in or out of the Seton Hall Prep community. I'm going to go back to the apps grid, into OneDrive, and right there you can see that document before that I created called Sample. I didn't save it deliberately, it saved on its own, and this is where you're going to start organizing, creating folders. I suggest that you wind up clicking on New and select New Folder. Create different courses, whatever you think your system of organization should be, and then you can start saving things into these folders. Now that I created that folder, I can then just click and drag something right into that folder and start organizing my work into folders.